Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect Google Looker Studio with your Google Sheets so that you can visualize your inventory data or any kind of data that you have stored on Google Sheets. So let's begin the video. Before I show you how you can connect Google Sheets with Google Looker Studio, there are some things that you should see or check on your Google Sheets so that you do not get any kind of error when connecting with Looker Studio. So first let's move towards our Google Sheets and look at these some basic checks. Here I have a sample Google Sheet with some dummy data. So the first thing that you should check is that you should have a header row. Basically the header row is going to be the first row on your Google Sheet, and it should have a text that describes your columns. Secondly, make sure that each column data is of correct data type. So you can see all of these is text, but here you can see the unit price should be in integers or currency according to your need. So it should be same. You can see like these are right aligned and this is left aligned. So most probably this is not a number, instead it might be a text. So you can click on these number formats and you can see it is selected plain text. Just select number, and you can actually do the same for all of these fields if they are number. So in this way, when you're going to import data in Google Looker Studio, it will not cause any errors. So just look for the header field, then look at the data types of all the columns or the same column within the data field. Once data is somewhat cleaned, you can now go to lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your Google account. After that, we are going to click on blank report, and here it will show you to connect your data source. So here you can just type sheets and it will show you the connector, which is Google Sheets by Google, which means that this is officially provided by Google. So this will help you to connect your Google Sheets with Google Looker Studio. We are going to click on it and it will ask you to authorize. Click on authorize and sign in with the Google account that has the Google Sheets. Once it has been authorized, it will show you all the sheets you have. In my case, I have only one, which is products inventory, and only I have sheet 1. So again, if I go to Google Sheets, you can see the sheet name is products inventory, and you can see we only have sheet 1. If you have multiple sheets, then you are going to select the correct one. Now we have the option used first row as headers. We are going to select this option as we have made our first row for headers, and after that we are going to click on add. We are going to click on add to report, and that's it. So our Google Sheet is connected with Looker Studio. You can tell that by on the right view you have this data tab. If you do not see it, just click on data. It will show you your sheet name and the fields within it. So let's just make any chart like a table to show that the data is reflecting or not. So you can see right here. So now you can modify the fields from the metric or these other ways. Again, you need some data analysis knowledge to do so, but yeah guys, in this way you can connect Google Sheets with Google Looker Studio. Lastly, if you add a new record, like let's say I need to add another record on the last column of the sheet because your sheet may get updated daily. Now you will see that the sheet will not reflect that. So for that, just click on these three dots, click on refresh data, and now your Looker Studio will show the latest updated data as well. You can also go in settings and update the refresh time of the Looker Studio dashboard. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.